Hi guys, what I eat in a day series. Today we're making a beef Angus steak, stir fry, cooked over the top of the stove. And as a bonus video, we're making my wife a first cut steak. So what I did with this particular beef, I obviously took it out of the package, cut it up into small little bite-sized bites. Got it going on top of the stove, and then I ended up pulling it off the stove, and I took a thing of stir fry vegetables that are already pre-chopped, and then I put it into the frying pan, and then I got that going really good. And once those were cooked, pulled down, I added back the meat, and then I added some simple seasoning, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, everything all seasoned. Bagel, some Montreal steak seasoning, sorry. And then I ended up adding some soy sauce and some Worcestershire sauce and some xanthan gum to thicken it. And this came out really good, and of course there's me in the video adding the steak, and I had put a little bit of avocado oil, got it going really well. Came out really good, and I would encourage you guys to keep on trying. And this is all some meals that I make over the course of my weight loss journey that helped me to lose over 110 pounds currently. And then I ended up gaining some of it back, and then I ended up currently at 110-pound weight loss and holding. So anyways, hope this encourages you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.